Come on. Come on. Oh no.
Dad, what is wrong?
The car will not start, Leo.
Why? What happened?
I do not know. Something is wrong with the engine.
Can you fix it, Dad?
This is too big for me. We need a mechanic.
What is a mechanic?
A mechanic is a person who fixes cars.
Oh, like a doctor but for cars.
Exactly, like a doctor for cars. Hello, my car will not start.
Good morning. What is the problem?
I tried to start it this morning, but it just makes a clicking sound.
It could be the battery. Can you bring it?
The car will not start. I cannot drive it.
No problem. I will send a tow truck.
Thank you. I will send you my address.
Dad, what is a tow truck?
It is a big truck that carries broken cars.
Wow, a truck that carries cars. That is amazing.
Good morning. Is this the car?
Yes, it will not start at all.
Let me take a look.
Dad, what is he looking at?
He is checking the engine.
The engine is inside there?
Yes, the engine makes the car move.
Just as I thought, your battery is dead.
Can you fix it?
Yes, we have the battery at the garage. Come with me.
Wow, Dad, this place is so cool.
Have you never seen a garage before?
No, there are so many cars here.
Here is your old battery. It is completely dead.
The battery looks like a big black box.
Exactly. Without the battery, the car cannot start.
So the battery is like the heart of the car.
That is a very smart way to say it.
How long will it take to fix?
About 30 minutes. You can wait inside.
Thank you very much.
Dad, do you know how to fix cars?
A little bit, but not like a mechanic.
I want to learn how to fix cars.
Then study hard. You can be an engineer one day.
What is an engineer?
An engineer designs and fixes big things. Cars, bridges, buildings.
Wow, I want to be an engineer, Dad.
You can be anything you want, Leo.
All done. Your car is ready.
That was fast. Thank you.
The new battery is in. Your car will start perfectly now.
It started! It started!
Yes, good as new.
The mechanic fixed it so fast.
That is because he knows his job very well.
Dad, next time the car breaks, I will help you.
Okay, you can be my assistant mechanic.
Assistant Mechanic Leo. I like that. Today we learned the car will not start. Something is wrong with the engine. We need a mechanic. It could be the battery. I will send a tow truck. Your battery is dead. Without the battery, the car cannot start. How long will it take to fix? All done! Your car is ready. He knows his job very well. New words we learned: mechanic, engine, battery, garage, tow truck, broken, fix, hood, engineer, ready. Thanks for learning English with me today. Like, subscribe, and come back for the next adventure.